Yeah, good evening, everyone. Good evening. Welcome to my program. It's your boy Tutu. Yeah, I'm here today again for the program. Thank you very much. Please share if you are watching me. Share with friends. Thank you. So let's be hearing music before we wait for others. Thank you. Please share with your friends. Thank you very much. Please share. Tell me your friends, I will tell you who you are. I want to say that again, but so if you see a problem, if you see a problem, I want to say you know me and Kunda, I might pass a beer, and I think what's so serious. Don't be down the paper, yes, I'll say, Obama, you know, Please share with your friends. Please share with friends. Thank you very much if you are watching me. God bless you. Share with Mama,
Hey, gallo. On the shut up, babe. On the shut up. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. God bless you all as you are watching. God bless you all. Please. So we are still on our hookup. Today we do our hookup again, and we get job opportunities for people, and we get enough ladies out there. So the ladies we get advice for now today. So that be our program, our topic for today. So thank you very much. Thank you very much, bros. So please, if you are watching, you share with friends. If you have any contribution, I greet you. So if you get any contribution, you call the WhatsApp date here and the rest. So the main topic for the hookup program, now don't fail here. So if you be boy or you be girl, you get interest. For boy, just call me, and for girls, call me, tell me the area where you dey, the country, your age, and where you. Then just call me, the number there. Then after then, we'll go to the next process. So for the adverts, that one are for the dating. So if you call me, you tell me the one where you want to contribute. The numbers there. If not the contribute, you let me know. So if not the job opportunities, you let me know. If not for the advice too, for the ladies. So now see, let me know. Thank you very much, everyone. Bugatti, I greet you, bro. That's life. Now for the advice, for the ladies advice, at least you know why single mother full everywhere today, why then they see so single mother everywhere. Not be those men fault say make them leave that woman, you understand. Now due to the way things can't happen, but inside there this advice for inside there, you know what they cause those things well. If you not get, as in you be liability, you not get work, you not get what you they do. Now ladies are they talk to. So if you they watch, God bless you. So ladies now they talk to. So if you they watch me, you'll change and you'll learn from this advice when I bring come. So for the ladies, you just they get what you they do. If they break, you understand that the man 1 day for melon, and 1 day for this, and 1 day for that. There is never a time where that kind of man will take respect you. You understand? They don't feel respect you, but if you get what you they do, you get what you they do. You understand? If they break, not be by go do one road work or a shower work. No, any lady where they do that thing, boys they're not the send them. You know they fling them again. They believe say that thing where they want to do something. So sometime now one get content they do 1 or 2 things. No, you understand. Now the advice we will get today for the ladies, I beg. Now thank God, una they get for those of una where they Europe. If you still they watch me for Africa or anywhere, so say everybody they online now. They just browser phone. If you not forget what you they do, my sisters, I beg more than find way to now they do. You understand? Through your phone, you feel like work with your phone. The word don't talk like that. You know? Say that now they will come they flog you for work or whatever. No. The word not talk like that. Now you feel learn work through your Facebook, through your YouTube, through your phone, any platform where you can learn work. Ladies especially now when they talk, sabi, if you want learn how to do hair, you fit learn am for YouTube now. You will learn am. The time when you take dey watch drama, so dey watch one video, dey watch different things, you know, dey drop una comment. So anything una still think, e no mean say you must call. If you reason anything for wetin I dey talk, drop your comment there. Thank you very much. So you drop your comment. So as I was saying, the ladies that they learn work for YouTube now. You understand? For YouTube, you fit learn work. Then for YouTube again, you can do everything. Hair grow as a anything. You fit come out for your city, anywhere you see say people they go, they hustle on, they say you way they do hair. No people no they do hair. Even white people they do hair. So more than not just they have woman just they say as in nothing, you know, just they your break, the man just do finish go work as he come your day. That kind of man, you know, if you value you, now they cost all those single mother everywhere for the Europe. So waiting that they try advance now. Not find anything they do. No matter work day where you feel learn for Facebook. If you not forget waiting you feel learn. For YouTube, I mean sorry, you feel learn now for YouTube, you feel learn now for anywhere, any kind of work you want learn. So not just day house, just a wait, say maybe one or two things. So out. God bless you. So if you get any contribution, drop your comment there. If you get any contribution, so drop your comment. Then if you still get of hookup just for singles, not for married man or married women, but if you don't firstly get issue, you never marry, you feel still call me, drop your comments. But I prefer say you call me, I will take you step. So if you get interest for those area, you still call. Thank you very much. So may we dey wait some more than they share with friends. May we just still take small break, may we listen to music before we come back. Don't call me on my page. The WhatsApp number, I beg, who be they call me? The WhatsApp number dey there and the direct call. If you want call me, dey there. If you get what you want contribute, just comment. You understand? Comment if you or the WhatsApp dey there, you fit call to contribute. The WhatsApp number dey there and the direct number dey there. Thank you very much. Everyone, una do well. Una take this advice for the ladies. I beg, they very very important. Now why una see say most ladies for Europe, no be say all those boys wey do all those things, say me not dey their mind. You understand? Me we still adjust our own way. Our sisters now they taught us so specially. You understand? Una hookup program too. To the hookup program. So I beg you when you ready say you want hook up, you don't ready to settle down. Now we'll make you hook up. Not be say you can hook up tomorrow. Maybe don't consider a so person. Now therefore see you see this girl wey wahala come dey know. You understand? I beg. So now so it be. May we listen to music some more. May share with friends, and your call not really matter. Just drop your comment there. May we see. So if you get interest, if you get say you want contribute for this matter, wey dey ground. So if you want contribute, you fit call. The WhatsApp dey there, the direct number dey there. God bless you all. So may we hear music before we wait for comment. Drop your comment for there. So Drop your comment there if you dey watch me. God bless you. If you dey watch am, abeg share with your friends. Share with friends, make dem for sell. Share with friends. God bless you. More than the share on, God bless you as you share. The Tory where we get today, we not to get enough time. If you get any contribution, drop your comment there. Okay, we still 10-15 minutes. So if you get any contribution, God bless you. If you get any contribution, you drop your comments. If you see her, just try to drop your comments. Then if you be say you be boy, you need serious relationship. So just let me know, inbox me, message me, let me know. I'll hook you up. Then if you need job for the job opportunities, when I dey talk since, anywhere you dey for the Europe side, so you don't get work and you they really make you work. So those way still get help, we go still render help, say work dey so place. You know that's not be need so person. I beg all of you now will join together. We'll join together, may we help our people. I beg everybody where they wash or where you go see them. Now we'll try, may we join together. So who they find work, just not saying they find work, you not get work, and who get job opportunities where you go feel call people put. So let you not feel doing, even though I find work, any type of work where you did do, you see say they need people. I beg. Just contact me, I know. Then you will still dey find work anywhere you still dey for the Europe, it no matter, just still try, still call me. You know understand? Just still try, just still call me. Let me know, say, see how it be. God bless you. So if you get interest, more than the share on, beg. More than the share on. God bless you. I know say most people not know say I dey online. So, but at least you now see the message. Drop your comment there. Anytime you take come online, you see and drop your comment. So if you get interest for the hookup, let me know. And if you get job opportunity or you dey search for work, let me know. Then the other one, ladies, please. I beg, more not try learn one or two things. More not try learn one important. You understand? More not try learn one or two things. More not know how it be. It is very, very important for life. Any woman will not get wetin they do, not if you do anything. Women the day as they'll do egg roll, or do meat pie, or do this, don't do that. Yes, that job. If any gathering where you know say maybe black dey there. Bro, see wetin they do. Who don't sabi, don't sabi. There is no how a husband they see his wife say this is wife, you know they try. No. You know understand, you must know say this is wife. They try. Yeah. I greet you, boss. I'm my you babe. I bet share am. One of the share and give people. Make them the same. So that's the message for ladies today. If you are just coming, God bless you. I bet more than the share am if you they wash me. So for ladies, if you all knew they come, this advice is very, very vital. Just try, get one or two things where you they do. If you not get where you take the for you to take the watch different things, you still get the time. If not just 3 hours. You understand? You just still get the time where you be say maybe you still take the learn that work. Now work you they learn, so you'll be like you they watch film. You understand? Do a grow, then if you do as a feature, meat pie, different snacks. So not know one, or not know two. Now they get all those opportunity. They get opportunity. I beg. Those we get those kind of opportunity, we not know how to do. Where you know see man we be say go your love woman. Even though if I love MP, don't they go for front, get IP, believe in me, I know what they told now. The lady now waiting they call single mother for everywhere and I be that one. So you understand? You they break, you go road or whatever, man don't like you. You know how people even they say honey, they kiss you or do whatever. I not get the time when you want it, as in that feelings inside them, you know. You know they with time again. So the waiting you need to do, if you get waiting you they do, just try. You not let work. Go reach here. I felt talking since go reach here that they learn for Facebook. How to do everything. If not even though they make a leak, everything you want, anything you want to do, then they do it for you too. Enter online, you'll see you learn on the time when you take the wash all that thing, get time where you just if now your 2 hours, you take face your phone, say now work you they learn, so you'll know what you they do. Come on, ladies. You don't see too much, more than still try as in yeah, even though you know even they if you they do things, if now I grow meet by your husband, your CC say you they do, meaning you be get talent, you fitted they do, you not just lazy like that. Not me say you're there as you're there be no level, man don't take you serious. I beg my sisters, I believe say na mama born me na why they advise women, so now advice one are not take as insult the way see this video met there. If na talk we have for still make mistakes, still drop on for there, you know understand. Na mama na I born oba, na mama born me, na mama born I not the insult to now. Ladies, now just advice as cause all those kind of things. We be say men they quit run leave women, not be so if it be. So more than try, get what too now they do. Thank you very much for those ones. So we not to get time like that again now. You say we just get like 8 minutes or 7 minutes to round up. God bless you. So for those who not get work, I beg anybody will see this video for this platform, inbox me if you get an opportunity of job. Say even though I find work, any work you they do, and you know say they need people for there, and no matter where you there, as far as say that Europe, you write me. You understand? Message me, bros. Men, they way want go run that job. And I waiting still the cause quarrel for marriage be that. Maybe some men don't get waiting that they do. Woman on the reason say they will upgrade the man just still there as those kind of issue. So they still the cause problem for relationship. Not be only woman side the day, still the man side. So in case of who want see this video, please drop your comment there, like and share on. Just your important thing say just contribute, comment. May I see your comments? Waiting you see say where for the go wrong, say no bros, not be like this, not like this, still right time for there. You understand? And God will bless you now, everybody when he go see him. So now be that one for that job opportunity. My people, I beg, who get job opportunity, may call me. Who get the chance here, wait for the work people free, may call me. Then those who still dey in need, say I don't tire, now they don't still inbox me. Then those who need relationship, serious one, not be for my and then in first couple, when the first just my hook program, say marry. So I'll support them with some of 100,000 Nigerian money. They just send me the card. So God bless you. If you get any contribution, they write down for your comments there. God bless you. So more listening to music, so more. Cop still there also who get interest. If you still call, even though you not even call, no problem. Drop your comment. I understand what you talk. I will reply your comments. So God bless you. No listening to music. Take us as okay, these 5 minutes when don't say me the follow page, you understand. So wait what happen, these 5 minutes will remain. So more quick, if you watch me, more quick just and go Facebook, so that me we all just the 5 minutes address people how to come this side to come wash on. Most people don't know I did be the right time. So I need to tell them, instruct how them say they do it. God bless you all. If you are watching me, God bless you. Thanks for watching, and please share. Don't forget to drop your comments. It's very necessary and important. God bless you for yeah, I still remain your own boy. Word 22 original. God bless you.